In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Expressvpn and set it up for seamless browsing. Whether you're someone who's new to VPN services or just looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through every step to get you connected securely and quickly. Let's start by heading over to the Expressvpn homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in expressvpn.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll immediately notice the clean and intuitive design of their website. Right at the top, you'll find an option labeled My Account. Go ahead and click on that to start the login process. Next, you'll see a prompt to sign in. Click on the Sign In button, which will take you to the login page. If you don't already have an account, this page also has options for setting up a new one. For those returning, make sure you have your email and password ready. Enter your details in the respective fields. As a tip, ensure that your password is strong and secure, combining letters, numbers, and symbols to protect your account. After entering your details, press the Sign In button. You'll be directed to the Expressvpn dashboard. This is your control center, where all your account information and options will be available. Here you can manage your subscription, download apps for different devices, and access other crucial privacy settings. Remember, staying logged in is safe if you're on a personal device, but always log out if you're accessing from a shared computer for added security. From your dashboard, you'll see links to additional resources and support articles should you require further assistance with the VPN. Expressvpn is known for its excellent customer service, so don't hesitate to reach out to them if you have any questions or run into any technical difficulties. And there you have it. You're now logged into Expressvpn and ready to explore the internet privately and securely. This straightforward process ensures you spend less time logging in and more time enjoying a protected online experience. As a final tip, ensure that your Expressvpn app is always up to date. Regular updates not only bring new features and improvements, but also ensure that you have the latest security protocols protecting you. To get automatic updates, you can enable this feature in your app settings. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful. For more tips and tutorials, feel free to explore other videos on our channel. Stay safe online and happy browsing.